Heads and Tails Insects by John Canty. I live in a hive. I make honey. I can sting you. I am a bee. I have a spotted red body. I have a domed shell that protects my wings. I am called a lady, even if I am a male. I am a ladybug. I have large back legs. I can hop great distances. I make music by rubbing my back leg against my wing. I am a grasshopper. Did you know that about the legs? I visit you on warm nights. I buzz in your ear and keep you awake. I can bite you and suck your blood. I am a mosquito. I don't like them. I am as agile as a cat. I am a master of camouflage. I look like I am praying. I am a praying mantis. I crawl in a wave-like motion. I have a soft body. I build a cocoon. I am a caterpillar. I was once a caterpillar. Now I have beautiful colored wings. I flutter from flower to flower. I am a... Oh, check out the life cycle of a butterfly. I have 4 wings. I can fly up and down and side to side. I look scary, but I am harmless. I am a dragonfly. That's one of my favorites. I buzz around your face and food and annoy you. I have sticky feet and can walk upside down. If I get stuck in a web, a spider will eat me. I am a fly. They're pesky. I come in many different colors. I am the most common insect in the world. I eat leaves, seeds, and fruit. I am a beetle. I have a long, thin body. I look like a stick. I am very good at hiding. I am a stick insect, also known as a walking stick. I live with millions of family and friends. We march together in long lines. I can carry many times my own weight. I am an ant. Look out! It's an anteater! I hope you enjoyed this book.